Shopping through Amazon has always been something like finding a needle in a haystack. You type in your item, say some cleaning supplies, and thousands of results pop up. Scrub through the clutter with a new feature inside the search section of the Amazon app called Flow. Point your phone's camera at an item you'd like to purchase. Great when you already have something specific in mind, and the sensors will identify the object, locate it in the Amazon database, and take you to the product page where you can easily add it to your cart or buy now. When it comes to books, this feature makes it so easy to buy a title that you find at the library or a friend's house. The free app CamFind can be used for just about everything. Point the camera at a sign in a foreign language and it will translate it. Aim it at a restaurant sign and it will pull up a menu. But when it comes to shopping, take a photo of something and the app will identify it and then show you photos and links of other options and where to buy them.
Clash of Kings by George R.
In San Francisco, I'm Kara Suboy, CNET.com for CBS News.